This is BBC One. You're watching BBC One. We would like to remind viewers of the south coast of England and Wales to evacuate immediately due to a major tsunami and flood warning by the Met Office. We at Television Centre in London are evacuating the building for the safety of our staff and equipment. BBC One and Two will run as normal for all regions except the south coast, which the transmitters are going to be shut off in a couple of minutes. But from the BBC Television Centre in London, we wish you good luck. Goodbye for now. Transmissions will start again in most regions at 3 p.m.